Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? You are welcome. Today, we are going to be making oil that will make your skin glow, look beautiful. Guys, we are just using 4 ingredients. This is carrot, orange, and papaya. I froze it, and neem leaf. Okay, these ingredients are so good to beautify your skin. We take away every dead skin. If you have breakage skin, maybe your skin is rough, it's going to unite it together. Now I grind the leaf, the neem leaf. So guys, this oil that we are going to be doing today, if your skin is weak, if your skin is dull, if you have a lot of wrinkle and you are not of that age to have wrinkle, if you have a lot of breakage on your skin is not together, you have a lot of sunburn, you have a lot of impurity on your skin, this oil is so good. The way I'm just scraping it now is the skin we need on the orange. I've scraped the carrot. Now I am scraping the orange. I will still scrape the papaya. Guys, this cream is this oil is so good for your body. Your face is good. When you have a lot of sunburn, dark under eyes, he is going to remove it. He's going to remove it. It's not a miracle oil, but when you use it for a week, you will testify. You are going to testify. And it blends for the body very fast. We are going to place all of them inside this jar. Guys, this cream, this oil is so good. It's so good. If you want oil that will make you to glow, you want to maintain that your color, this is coconut oil. This coconut oil, I use this bottle then to buy coconut oil, but I made my coconut oil. If you don't know how to make coconut oil, go down below of my video, I pour it there. Okay, we put it inside this pot with the water. We are going to be parboiling it. We are going to take all the nutrients in the carrot, in the neem leaf, and the papaya and the carrot inside of it. Guys, this oil is a bomb. This oil is so good. I want you to use it. If you have raw skin, if you have breakage on your skin, you know carrots makes you to light, orange makes you to light, and when you use neem control every impurity on your body. This is the next day I bring it out, I'm going to sip it, guys. And we are going to be using vitamin E in this video. You see, I'm going to be using vitamin E too. You know, vitamin E is very good to repair your skin. We are going to sip it this way because we don't want any chaff to go inside of it. Guys, this oil is so good. It's so good. If you want to lighten your skin naturally, you want to beautify your skin naturally, you want to make your skin glow, I will advise you to use this oil. If you don't have neem leaf, you can use the orange peel and the carrot and the vitamin E. Okay, it's so good. I'm going to be busting 2 vitamin E inside of this oil. You can use it for your face, you can use it for your body. If you have dryness, it's very good. It's very good, guys. It's very good. Since I've started using this oil on my body, there is a lot of changes. You are going to see it. If you have raw skin, if you have sunburn, if you have a discoloration on your body, it's so good. For people of color is good, for normal color is good, for white person is good. You don't want to be dark, this is what you will go for. You know, neem oil repair a lot of damaged skin. When you have damaged skin, you repair it, it makes it to come back to itself. Sorry if you are hearing noise, is my baby. Okay, so that is it. You just put it in you just put it inside this way. That is it. When you finish bathing, if you have something, if you have a container that is tiny, you can put it inside of it. That is it, guys. That is it. You are going to love this oil. You are going to thank me for this oil. You are going to thank me for this oil. I know what I'm talking about. No need of using any chemical you don't know about. This is very good for you. This will purify your skin. This will make your skin glow. I am telling you the truth. Just go for it. You are going to love it. You are going to love it. You know, I told you everything that is good. You see the way it's shining. I told you everything that is good, everything that is lovely, you will see it in this channel. God bless you. Please don't fail to like, subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. Every good thing will be coming to this channel. God bless you.